Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm driving through the Onuimo-Abia Tower road. So this Onuimo to Abia Tower road was, flagged off last year, December 2024, by the Executive Governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Otti. Okay, so this road is a 5.95 km road. Like I said previously, already you can see that demolitions are already going on in this area. This is just to make room for the expansion of this road. This road is going to be expanded. It's going to be a 4-lane road, dual carriage, 4-lane dual carriage. So the expansion of the road requires that a lot of things around this road needs to be brought down, and you can see already from this video that work is already going down. So I want to take you down to Abia Tower so you can see the extent at which the demo and deletion, I don't want to pronounce it fully because of YouTube violation. So you can see what is already going on, the bulldozers. You can see what they are doing, and it's not just one. I counted more than 5 to 6 bulldozers, if not more, that are working here in Umuokpara. So watch the video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. I didn't start from the other side, but just watch. I'm taking you now to Abia Tower. When I get to Abia Tower, I joined this video with the other one I made towards Onuimo, so just watch the video. You can see Abia Tower over there. So when I get there, like I said, I'm going to take you guys back to Onuimo so that you can see what is going on over there. The reconstruction and expansion of this road is going to make movement of vehicles, for the commuters. It will make it very easy for them. Now, when this road, which is going to start from Onuimo, connects to Abia Tower, the beauty, just imagine the beauty because of the the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. You see the 4 lanes there, you see how nice it is. So when it connects to the Onuimo section, it's going to be amazing. Now when people that are coming into Abia State, especially Umuahia, when they take this route and they get to Umuahia, it's going to be like a city, okay, we to know that city like look. So yes, gradually Umuahia is wearing the look of a capital city.